YouTube, man. So I'm in here, you feel me? I'm playing 2K, grinding them a little bill, you feel me? And I see I get a package delivered to the door, you feel me? And I'm pretty sure I know what this is, actually. I know exactly what it is, and I'm overly excited to open it because I've been excited to get this in hand, bro. Now, I'm not going to talk too much before I go ahead and open them and show them to y'all, but I do think this is going to add a new dynamic to the channel. It's just going to make every video better in its own way. And that's what I'm looking forward to the most. Alright, y'all, so I don't feel like going downstairs to get a box cutter or a knife or no scissors. But it's cool though. I got my keys. It's not a big box by no means anyway. But let's do it. Nah, this should give it away. This should give it away exactly what these are, man. Your boy did go ahead and cop some RayBan Metas. Like I was gonna say, bro, I was a fan of these when they initially dropped, but y'all know when it was limited, people couldn't really get their hands on them. When they first dropped, bro, it was overly expensive, OD expensive. Man, I kind of forgot about them until one day, because a lot of the people that got their hands on them early stopped using them for real. Then one day, I went with my mom, I just going to Sunglass Hut. I see him, I try him on. I'm like, oh yeah, buddy, he's tough. I gotta get me a pair. And I've been fiending ever since, you feel me? So it took me a few weeks, but I did end up going online and copping them. Let's open them up. Oh, I gotta rip this off. Okay. It's a listen, call, live stream. I plan on doing all of those with these, you feel me? Okay, boom. Oh, got my little case, you feel me? It do say scan to get started, so I'm finna go ahead and set them up and probably do something cool for y'all boys, you feel me? YouTube, man, so I have switched over to the Meta glasses, as y'all can see. Y'all see me, you feel me? The mirror out there, but I do need to put some oil in that, as y'all can see, man. Still gotta get the whole air transmission thing figured. I said that's so wrong. Whole air suspension thing figured out, but y'all finna watch me put oil in this bitch, cause I got Meta glasses and I want to show off my Meta glasses, nigga. Alright, man, if you like me and didn't know, you feel me, you ain't really had prior experience with BMWs, finna show y'all where you put the oil in at, cause I ain't gonna lie, it's very easy to miss if you ain't never been under the hood under one of these things, you feel me? Cause first thing, you wanna look here, you might look over there, put that bit right here, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, the engine still feel a little hot. Y'all know that bit twin turbo V8 that push out 480 horsepower. It take a lot, you feel me? So honestly, I might come back to this. YouTube, man, so today is another day. See, I got Metas on face, and I ain't gonna lie, well, I don't know what the hell they got going on. Apparently they paving roads in the area, and I don't know, they kind of blowing me because I kind of want to slide this, but it is what it is. I guess that's my sign not to do it. Yeah, bro, I really don't know the direction this video is going in, because I plan on starting a whole separate videos for the weekend. So I'm kind of just coasting right now. I don't really got no direction with this vid. But we about to hop in the whip. As y'all can see, got the Camaro right here, you feel me? Hold on, y'all finna get POV from the Metas and the cam? Hold up, bro. That's smooth. Mine just not that loud because the car was just being driven like not too long ago. But some cool shit though. I get y'all some revs in this bit though. Hold up, let's settle in a little bit. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Some cool shit. No, they got the Honda. That bitch paint job. Ooh, what that is? Hey, on God, I get an X5M. The X3s and that really not my speed, but that X5 hard. Y'all know I got the X6, but I hella go X5M. That's what this one I see. No, it ain't. If it ain't fast, then it's ass. If it ain't gas, it's ass. I meant the gas come from me. I meant, y'all know what the fuck I meant, man. Real South Florida shit, man. Yo, I get back to the crib, this shit worse, fam. They got my whole little shit blocked off. Yo, man, it's currently the next day, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm tired. I can't even tell y'all how much sleep I got last night, but I'm up way before I'm usually up way before I need to be up, and I know I'm tired because why am I talking like this? I'm talking spacey as hell. But needless to say, man, got another day at POV, and I actually do need to get something fixed, so y'all more than likely gonna see that in this video. Whether I do it today, probably not gonna do it today, cause I'm probably gonna come back and go to sleep. But definitely tomorrow, so y'all be on the lookout for that. And there's niggas grilling in the front of my shit on a random Friday morning. So yeah, that's that, I guess. Let me give y'all a quick cold start real quick. I ain't gonna lie, this shit should be loud. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Do gotta go to the airport. This is only like my second time going to the Atlanta airport. And the first time I ain't even go to the right place for real. So I don't know where the fuck I'm going. So y'all finna do all that with me. But first things first, before I do that, I need to stop and get some gas. So let's go get some gas. Bro, I will not lie to y'all, bro. I'm hungry as a motherfucker right now, bro. And I really don't wanna like go eat without niggas. Like, I gotta go pick up the fam first. That'd be fucked up. Traffic already is crazy, kid. See, bro, let me teach y'all a lesson about Camaro visibility, right? Look at my rear view, y'all don't see no car. Look right here, y'all don't see no car. Look at this motherfucker. Now, if I was to just get over and I wouldn't know that the motherfucker was there, man. And it took me a long time to realize that, like, the Camaro visibility shit wasn't bullshit. It took me a few times to get over on motherfuckers and damn near run them off the road to realize that very shit right there, you feel me? But that ain't never stopping me because I'm still thinking about getting another mirror. Luckily, I've been feeling like I want to go SS. Chicken and waffles. Bro, I'm full as hell, bro. And nigga, I might drive slow all the way back home. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I might go back to sleep. I said that I was gonna go back to sleep when I started recording before I left the house. But god damn. Yo, bro, traffic is fucking shit. Traffic is insane right now. It has been insane the whole time I've been trying to fucking get back to my side, bro. This shit is ridiculous, bro. YouTube, man, got the whips behind me, man. I hate to do this, bro, but I gotta wrap the video up here, bro. Like, it's been going on, stretching it out, and I feel bad when I can't drop. Mind you, it's only been like a week since my last video, bro, but I be feeling like I abandon y'all when I go more than like 3 days without posting, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. However, I do want to kind of chop it up and speak with y'all, but first, let me just point something out real quick. I told y'all, bro, they been parking shit over here because they paving a road, but they messed up, bro. They done gave me a new playground, because as soon as they get done and stop parking this shit in front of my house, I'm sliding that bitch. So y'all be on the lookout for that video, because it's definitely going to happen. Hey, man, fall weather definitely starting to kick in. Look at all these goddamn leaves falling in my yard and shit. This shit was not like this. I was just out here like a few days ago. You know, man, I just wanted to chop it up with y'all real quick. Let y'all know why I haven't been as consistent as I want to be. Which y'all probably like, bro, you've been posting every day for like 4 months. A few days ain't gonna hurt nobody. But, bro, when you love this shit how I love this shit, when you want this shit how I want this shit, bro, every day that go by just feels like worse and worse, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But some good things have been happening behind the scenes, bro. I've been getting a lot of love. So that means a lot to me, bro. I've been getting a lot of love for sure, bro. And that shit mean the world to me, because I specifically said, bro, when I made the move to come to Atlanta, I'm like, the thing that makes Atlanta what it is, bro, is the connection that you can make, you feel me? Especially in the content space, it's a lot of big creators here. But I told myself, I'm like, bro, I ain't finna try to ride nobody wave, no nothing, bro. If anything, bro, I want somebody to see what I'm doing and respect it, you feel me? I'm gonna build my own name versus trying to come up on somebody else. And, bro, it's starting to happen, bro. I'm starting to see it. So that just let me know I'm on the right path, you feel me? When people going out of their way to show their appreciation, bro, that means you're doing something right, bro. And that's the only motivation for me to keep going. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro, this shit hard, bro. Like, it's a lot of people quit this. People with channels of all sizes quit, bro. And I don't plan on stopping no time soon, so that's just my love, you feel me? Inspiration to another creator that might need to hear this shit, bro. Keep going, bro. If you got a real love and passion for this shit, bro, don't stop, because somebody gonna appreciate it. On the other end, though, man, your boy really just been dealing with the ups and downs of life, you feel me? Currently at a down moment right now, but like I said, that ain't stopping nothing, you feel me? There's always, you feel me, my eyes on the prize, you feel me? So this ain't slowing the nigga down. I just thought I should be transparent with y'all, you feel me? Because y'all a part of me, man. We on this journey together, because without y'all, it ain't no journey. I'd just be a nigga recording videos. But like I said, man, thanks for the support. It mean a lot, man. But without further ado, man, I'm going to wrap the video up here, you feel me? So thanks for watching, you feel me? I know this ain't the best video. It ain't up to my standards. Hopefully y'all can still appreciate it, though. And be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Stay tuned for the next one, you feel me? This a little slow down, a little chill down, but y'all know I'm coming with straight bangers. But yeah, though, man, I am Lil Banger, and I'm out.
Nigga know in the trash can. These nigga been copping out this smoke. We done passed that. I'm tired of that hoe wanna hear her friend.